When you start preparing for your PTE test, what question comes to your mind? Questions like how am I going to prepare, where can I get the reliable materials and practice questions, and whether I should join a classroom-based program or do it online. Well, classroom versus online PTE training is a big dilemma in many people's minds. Hi, I'm Anurag from Edutrainex, which is the #1 PTE training software online. And in this video, I'll give you 6 good reasons why online PTE training is much better than a classroom-based programs. To begin with, PTE itself is a computer-based test, so getting more friendly with using computers and online learning platforms is actually going to benefit you. So the #1 benefit that you get from online PTE training is flexibility and self-paced learning. Life is very busy nowadays, both for students as well as the working professionals. With so many constraints on time, people are struggling to balance their life between work, study commitments, home, and especially when traveling. So a great advantage that you can get from an online PTE training is flexibility. In terms of attending the live classes at a time that is convenient to you, as well as watch pre-recorded videos and sessions on specific PTE topics. By choosing to learn online, you can learn without interfering with your other commitments. That flexibility allows you to better manage your work and your life. For self-paced learning, you do your preparation at a pace that you are comfortable with. In classroom programs, there will be classes for a couple of weeks and then you are on your own without much interaction. Whereas in the online PTE training, there is continuous live classes going on. So if you miss something before, you can still catch up later and also get opportunities to get your doubts cleared in the sessions. #2 is better time management. The ugly truth about the classroom-based programs is that you need to physically go there and attend the classes and then come back to your home. Traveling takes a lot of time and you lose a lot of time going back and forth to these training institutes. Imagine what extra things you could do with 1 hour saved on commute. You may choose to spend your time with your family or practice more questions for your PTE. So online PTE training is definitely a winner in saving your time for yourself. Advantage #3 is better material management. What I mean by this is, in the classroom-based PTE training programs, you will be handed booklets that you carry everywhere to note down details and also practice. This gets a little bit clumsy in time and searching for important points from the book gets tedious. Reading the books provided by the training institutes also requires you to devote specific time to go through it. Whereas with an online training software like Edutrainex, you don't even need to take notes. All the tips, strategies, videos, practice questions, your performance are already there on the system. You can just access them using your laptop or your smartphones. It's much more convenient to be able to browse online content when compared to a book or a booklet. Also, while commuting to and fro from the work, you may choose to go through the online materials or do some practice questions. #4 is personalized feedback and one-to-one consultations. If you choose wisely and select a good online PTE training provider like us, you will get expert feedbacks for each of the practice questions you attempt, along with color-coded explanations that are very easy to understand. It is very important that you receive feedbacks because they help you in identifying your weak areas and also help you focus on them. We have seen students that have appeared for PTE exam number of times and not achieving their desired scores. The problem here is that they are only doing more and more practice questions, but they are not trying to improve their mistakes because they are not getting any feedbacks on their writing or their speaking task specifically. These personalized feedbacks improve your performance a lot in your next attempts. Additionally, the one-to-one consultations with the PTE experts provides opportunities to the students to be looked at personally. In these sessions, students are free to focus on any given topics of their interest and work with their experts to master them. Normally, in the classroom-based coaching programs, you only get the opportunity to get your doubts cleared as a group. And the feedbacks that you receive on your responses are normally verbal and often lack details of how you can actually improve. Advantage number 5 is real-time performance analysis. The PTE exam is a computer-based test that comprises 4 sections and in total of 20 different tasks. It is critical for learners to manage their accuracy and time in order to get their desired scores. So how do these real-time performance analysis tools actually help you? It's very simple. When you are practicing through your questions, you can either verbally or graphically view your accuracy and time management charts for the previously attempted questions. These analysis tools give you a glimpse of how was your accuracy in the first attempt, or how was your accuracy in the last attempt, or how did you perform in the time before and now. Using these, you are able to focus on things you are lacking in, whether you want to improve your time management or you want to focus on improving your accuracy. Advantage number 6 is the last one that you only get with a handful of PTE training providers. It is a software full of add-on features to help you succeed. Our software has features like color-coded explanations, graphical and verbal performance analysis, in-depth AI and tutor evaluations, and also integrated IntelliAssistant, which will track your performance and guide you accordingly on every particular task in real time while you are practicing the questions. So you are not alone while you are practicing it online. So in conclusion, as we just saw, technology-enabled online PTE training is definitely a lot better than the classroom-based programs. So whenever you start your PTE preparation, do keep these things in mind to make a better choice. So please like and subscribe and comment on this video if you have any questions related to the PTE test or if you need any kind of help with your preparation. Thank you.